wanna get hit again?
You want a piece of my boo-boo? I'm hearing a no. Maybe later.
I can't believe she's considering it. I'd rather not. I'll let you have it.
You're gonna let me have a massage?
I will let you have it.
Really? You're going to let me have a massage?
Yes.
You need to bite my head off just asking. By the way, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, lady, want to kiss my boo-boo? Still not hearing a no.
That puts a whole new meaning to the word smile.
There's a whole new meaning to the word breast.